I-20, it doesn't seem too bad once you pretty much get going. I wouldn't be going 60. I mean, I've been getting blown by a few people that want to go 60, 70 miles an hour, but you can definitely still see some dark patches on the road and also on the overpasses for sure. So you want to go that fast and spin out, I mean, go for it. But it is passable. Looks like if anybody's going to the airport, you can make it there. By the way, before anybody says anything, yeah, the left lane's for passing, I get that. For one, this ain't the left lane, it's the middle lane. For two, well, fuck you, that's why. Almost got into that slick shit a little bit. Down to one lane out here at 31, 32, drop one lane, maybe winding back out to two, but as long as the sun stays on it right now, I think it's going to be all right. Just remember, drive with your big toe, pushing the gas pedal, just the big toe, and then keep your foot the fuck away from the brake pedal. You'll be out of here. Ooh, it's slick right under those. Watch the shade. Watch the shade. That jackass be one of the ones to be spun out here in just a little bit.